and welcome back to KitBits. Today we're going to talk about the sound commands. So let's not wait around. Let's get right in. So here we are back in our editor, and as you can see I already prepared something because in order to explain these two commands I have to show a bit more to understand it. So let's check it out. So if I press this, then the sound plays and then the cat moves. But if I trigger this, the sound plays and the cat moves at the same time. And that's exactly the difference. For the first one, where it says play sound until done, means it will play the sound and do nothing else as long as the sound plays, and then do the next command. And the second one is it starts a sound, but it just continues on. That's all it does. And then our next command is stop all sounds. So if we would play a sound and then immediately click stop all sounds, then it just stops. That's what it does. Okay, then we kind of have to work with both of them for all of the other ones because they're all related. So now the next one is change pitch effect by 10. So if we do that, we increase the pitch. So we can actually remove those. So I will increase the pitch by 10 and then trigger the sound again. And as you can hear, like it has a higher pitch, and if I do it really high, it's like a really high pitch. So that is what you can do with change pitch. And then we have a similar one which sets the pitch to a specific number. If we do that, it's like super high. But I mean, who wants to have a cat that has such a high pitch, huh? So we can actually clear that and say clear sound effect and then play it again and then it's normal again. So then we also have change volume. We kind of have to make some room here. And now if we trigger change volume, right now it's by -10, so it will be more quiet. Now if we do it a few times, it's very quiet. And obviously, the more you do it, at a certain point you won't be able to hear it. But then we can also use the next command, which is set volume to 100%. And that will obviously increase the volume again to its original value. And so now it is again the same volume. Okay, thank you so much for watching. That was the sound commands, and I'll see you next time at KitBits.